So go to the mouse. So this is what I already showed you yesterday, just really quickly. Okay, then go to your Finder, find your student folder. So you just type in your last initial and then go back to HS student, and then you'll see your folder. Save your search so you don't have to do that again on that computer. Morgan. And save. And then you'll see that search here, so you don't have to go to FS student, HS student, do your search. So open up your folder. Then in here you should have your photo folder, your practice folder. If this looks crazy like that, you can just go and rename it. Do you have more pictures on your memory card? Oh, okay. So we'll just eject your memory card. If she had more pictures on her memory card, then she could just open up her card and select what she needed to, and then drag it into her folder until she sees the plus. So we're going to eject the card. Okay, so what you're going to do today, once you have your pictures in your network folder, you're going to select your folder, drag it to LR, which is Lightroom. Okay, you'll see this only the first time you log into that particular computer. So you choose United States, click Finish, click Continue, and Ignore. Okay, so now you'll see all the pictures. You can X out of the tutorial there. So you'll see HS student, her folder, photography, and practice. And that's why you know that you've done it right. If you see it on Macintosh HD, then that means it's only on the computer. And then you can't access it on any other computer. So select them, click on Import. And today what I want you to do is create a collection and then also create a contact print. So go to Collections, click on the plus, create collection, and then type Practice Favorites. Okay, and I'm gonna unselect that. Okay, so now she has a folder for practice. Go back to her practice folder, and then what she'll do is select her pictures. So if she likes that one, she can select it and then drag it to practice favorites. And now you see a count. You want 25. So she'll just scroll through her pictures and find 25 of her best pictures. Okay, so you're looking for clarity, composition. Okay, I'll talk about how to edit your pictures later, but right now you're just sorting through your pictures. So say she likes that one, she can drag it in. Okay, once she hits 25 there, then she's going to create a contact print. So then you'll go to Print, and then to be on the collections, and then use all photos. And then basically a contact print is a proof sheet. So you're going to do 5, 5, and then you're going to scroll down and you're going to add photography info, photo edit. And then using the 3 drop downs here on the EXIF data, you'll choose exposure program, ISO speed rating, and exposure, and done. And that'll let me know and let you know what settings you use, what program you use, what ISO, what shutter speed, so you can kind of compare and see what you've done with those pictures. Then you're going to change printer to JPEG, and then you're going to print to file. I would choose the desktop here, or if you wanted to go back to your saved searches, because that would bring it into your network folder. I would just put it on the desktop, it's easier to see, and if you want to make a copy to your home folder, you can make a copy to your home folder. And then name it your name. And then practice CP. Okay, and that'll end up on the desktop. Okay, so there it is. So if I wanted to save that into the network folder, I would just drag it here and drop it. Okay, so now it is in her folder. We're going to actually trash it though, because it's not complete. The nice thing with Lightroom is that if you're on the same computer, it'll remember what you did from day to day. If you move to a different computer, it's not going to remember. You'll have to re-import your pictures. But if you stay on the same computer, if I X out and close out of Lightroom, and then reopen Lightroom another day, the pictures that I uploaded will still be there. It'll be on the last screen that I was at. So once you get your contact print set up and you import new pictures for another project, you create a new collection for another project, you can go to print, and then the contact print information will already still be there. So then all you have to do is go to print the file and then just rename it the new project. So it's kind of handy. Okay, so today you are sorting through your pictures, creating a collection of 25. So choose 25 of your best pictures, not necessarily one from each category, just 25 of your best pictures from that list of pictures you took. Okay, and then if you already know how to submit it in Schoology, I'll show you later, but you can certainly submit it once you're finished. Questions? No? All right.